What's up, you guys? It's the Black Beauty here. Welcome to my channel. So much. If it's a who, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you won't miss any videos. And watching more videos, you're not gonna know who I am. So go binge watch. So y'all, I just wanted to come on here. It's Monday, November. Today's what? Like, what's today? The 15th, y'all. Okay. And I'm finally about to try making the Stallion Hottie Girl sauce. You already know. But before that, I got my receipt. Y'all can hit my link below. It's an app called Fetch, you guys. Lots of good points. The referral code. Hit the link in the bottom. You get 4,000 points immediately. And they have a lot of prizes that you can pick from rewards. Okay, so let's try this Hottie Girl sandwich. With these videos, these contents, getting it out. Okay. I got some fries and some cereal. So we're gonna come on. I feel like this light is messing it up for us, but yeah. I thought I told them no pickles. Ooh, they got the sauce all at the bottom. That's good. Yeah. Sauce dripping. It's dripping. Let's do it. Let's dig it in. Okay. Dip it in the sauce. Okay. Damn, the strawberry. I like it's eco-friendly though. Big as hell. Makes sense. That's a sweetened tea, y'all. Clean. Back in sugar. Okay. So yeah. Actually, not that bad. It's good. I like it. It's like a sweet sauce. I heard that pickle got in there. Yeah, so it's pretty good. But before I go, get y'all some crypto. Times are changing. Get y'all some crypto. Try to get on this digital platform. Y'all don't gotta live in there. But it'd be good to get in there and jump on these first upcoming projects that's coming out. It's a lot of new money and a lot of new investments, a lot of new transferring wealth. A lot to go on now. If y'all interested, you're still interested in trying to learn how to buy XRP, let me know. I'll make y'all a video. Another one, a more up-to-date one with a better camera and stuff. If you have any cryptocurrency questions, don't be afraid to ask. Let me know. I'll reply to every single one. It's sauce though. Here you guys. Thank you for watching. But it's good. I ain't gonna front. This one's good. She did that. She did that. Oh my God. She did that. Which I feel is very smart of her. That was very smart of her. Going to the food industry. We don't love food. I saw young M.A. She went to the sex interest industry. Made a vibrator. I'm like, wow, okay. Makes sense, you know? Okay. Everybody's trying their business. That's the wave, man. Start that business, sis. King, bro. You'll not be okay. She went to the sex interest industry. Made a vibrator. I'm like, wow, okay. Makes sense, you know? Okay. Everybody's trying their business. That's the wave, man. Start that business, sis. King, bro. You'll not be okay. Start that business. If y'all want me to make more business videos, let me know. I just come on here and talk to y'all. You know I was looking crazy. I have to share it with y'all. I have to share it with y'all. Megan D. Stallion, she did that. I put